Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern El Paso County and east central Colorado, including the Air Force Academy and the Waldo Canyon burn scar. Until 6:15 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include northwestern Colorado Springs, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Cascade, Chiquita Park, and the Waldo Canyon burn scar area. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Waldo Canyon burn scar, including the northern half of the scar that drains into West Monument Creek toward the Air Force Academy. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. The National